So I'm just going to do a little video of our potager garden, which is our front garden. We've called it the potager garden now because it's kind of not the same style as the kitchen garden where I am now. It's more of a sort of ornamental kitchen garden type of thing, but it's in the front garden, and so we try and keep it looking as nice as possible. So we're going to have a look at the little potager garden. We've got some potatoes here just on the side of the drive. We've got our Bill and Ben, which we relocated from the allotment last year. They're still pretty much intact, and you can see now why we call it a potager. It's as close as we can get to a potager sort of style. So we've got chard. Of course, this is going to grow up to be really big and decorative, and it's all rhubarb chard, I think it is. And then we've got our kales coming along really nicely, and again they're going to grow up really big. Last year they were about 5 foot tall, so pretty impressive by the end of the growing season. And we leave these in over winter if we can. We've got a little apple tree here, which is kind of a sucker that grew up from the roots of this tree here, and it's a different variety, I suppose you would say. And yeah, we kind of quite like it really, even though it's kind of taking over the garden. So we need to give it a bit of a summer prune. But there's a really nice crop of apples on here. And then we've got spinach just down here, just going to seed. So we've got one more pick off that spinach. Gooseberries, beetroot, gooseberries, and then down here we've got salad onions interplanted into red stem celery, and then nasturtium and some shallots, and then celeriac again with salad onions interplanted, a bit more spinach, and hopefully that, because it's a bit more shady, that's not going to go to seed until the week after, so that'll give us 3 weeks rather, of spinach. And by then hopefully the New Zealand spinach will be in production on the allotment. And then we've got our planter with our lettuces, which really need picking, but we don't need them and they still look quite nice. So I'm hoping that they'll last for another 2 weeks. And Debbie made this planter and she said it was pretty easy to do. It's got a good long life on it. I think it's sort of 10 to 20 years depending on sort of weather conditions, so it probably more like 10 years here with our salty sea air. But yeah, it looks really nice, and she made a cover for it, a fleece cover for it, which I'll show you in another video. But yeah, if you're interested in the details, I'll put a link down below in the description. So that's it. That's everything that's going on in our little potager on the road. Loads of people stop here and they kind of hang over this wall to see what's going on and what's growing, keep track of it all and have a chat. So I hope you like this quick video. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.